can we relate? Oh, yeah, can we debate? Oh, yeah, but I want debate. Oh, yeah, I took the cake. Yeah, all about cake. Yeah, can we relate? Can we relate?
Hey beautiful people, my name is Anaya, aka Dear TV. If this is your first time seeing me, thank you for clicking on this video and I hope you enjoy it and hit that subscribe button. As you all can see in today's video, I will be doing a wash hair day routine. This clip that you are seeing right now, this is before I wash my hair. I just wanted to show you all the items that I use. I use two particular shampoos. The first one that I'm showing right now is the Tresemme Moisture Rich. If you've been on my channel for a while, y'all already know that I use the shampoo, or I use the olive oil shampoo. And then the next one that I have right here is Afro G shampoo damaged hair. They both work amazing for my hair and helped it grow tremendously. So without further ado, I'm just about to hop into the video, show y'all step by step on how I do my hair. Also, instead of doing a voiceover throughout this video, I'll just be putting captions on the side of what I'm doing. So if this is your first time seeing me, make sure you hit that subscribe button by the end of this video if you enjoy this hair day routine. Also, I'll make sure I put my playlist in the description down below so you can see what other type of content I post. And I hope you all enjoy, and stay tuned for the end of this video to see the final results. Thank you. hurting right here. Comment down below if y'all experience back pains when you wash your hair. Alright y'all, now it's time for the hard part. Putting on the shower cap. As y'all can tell by my face, it's about to be a big old struggle. One thing, the shower cap is so stressed out due to my head being so big, but because my hair had got so long, it's a struggle putting on this stressed out shower cap. So I need to make sure I get me a new one. Look how it's keep falling out the... No, not at all. So now, as you guys are about to see me set the timer for the deep conditioner for 25 minutes, and then after that you all would just be seeing me wash out my hair. I know I said I was going to be doing captions, but I felt like doing, a voiceover a little bit. So yeah, I'll just see y'all when I'm back and when it's all finished. Alright, okay, so this concludes the very end of my video. Nice and relaxing. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. And also, if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm about to clean the sink out because after I'm done washing my hair, I always like to clean the sink. So I will just see you all next week in my next video. Look at me dancing, y'all. Goofy. Okay. Cute face and now look at my jeans. Hey. Thank you for tuning in until the end of this video to see the final results. Your girl going natural finally.